Can you use your tarot cards for animal communication even if you have not learned animal communication? Absolutely yes. If you're someone who's well versed with tarot cards, you can definitely use it to communicate with animals even if you have not separately learned that modality. Do the same thing as you do for humans when you do their readings. Or another way of using your tarot cards is to actually make it a communication wherein you simply set an intention for the animal to speak to you through the cards and you ask appropriate questions. I would recommend begin with smaller spreads and fewer cards, but as you get better, you can increase the number of cards as well. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful.